Hi guys, welcome back to another video. We are playing Animal Company again. So with Toothless, we are going into the old caves. We're going to post a new video on old new caves so far. So I'm just gonna edit it and then get straight into the stuff. So now we're going over there and do most of the stuff. And let's get straight into it, yeah. And we just need to get our stuff right now. Come on then. Toothless. Flip now. I've got a gun.
This is too big.
No, take it. Take it.
This is good enough. And just in case, I have another one right there. Oh, yeah, bring a gun just in case. We ready? Have this one if you want. Oh, I just flew away.
I'm ready. Yeah?
Let's go.
Come on, let's go, guys. So let's go, guys. Let's do it. Let's finish off the YouTube video.
Just get onto the...
No, because I don't have any hands. I have a rocket launcher weighs like 2,000. Alright, come on. Weighs like 2,000. And
I forgot to bring a cracker.
Down, just jump down. You can use this. Don't take from me. I haven't
We're
been.
here.
Yeah, I haven't been down.
You wanna go to Planet?
I want to go to that place where you get loads of diamonds, like in a world. I want to go to that world place again.
Wait, oh my gosh, just...
Kiddo!
Damn.
That worked.
Yep, indeed. So you said you want to get diamonds, right?
Yeah, I want to get loads of diamonds, but I want to go to the world. I want to go to the world place.
I got you. I know where that is.
Yeah, same. But I forgot because I done a YouTube video about it, and then I lost it.
Oh.
I don't like this. Okay, that looks safe. That's not safe. That isn't safe. Look. Need to...
Turkey, I died.
Okay, show me where your dead body is.
Yes, sir.
Quick. Where are you?
I respawned by accident. I'm coming, don't worry.
Damn, I just saw the spiders with your head.
Alright, I'm coming down.
Now bring a hook drop. I'll meet you at Worlds.
Alright, I'm down.
Okay, I'll meet you at World. Toothless, hurry up, Toothless. Started to break. Toothless, I'm at the diamond well.
Okay, I'm coming.
No.
I made it.
Get some pink broccoli. I'm getting pink broccoli.
Here, take this.
I'm getting some greens now. Do you want to go back now?
Yeah, I'm coming. Bring me a green broccoli, bring me green broccoli.
How many? How many?
Bring me 2. I'm at the pink planet.
Where's the blue?
Oh, never mind, I'm back to my
Okay, here you go. I'll get you two.
Right
Here you go, here you go, here you go. 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 Come on, jump.
Let's go.
One of this is. Oh. Damn, your dead body's there. How sad.
I got a shutter. Out of grave. Not isn't. Oh, I got fit through the tiny holes. Where are you? Alright, come here. Let's do this. Right there, we're back.
I got a whole bag or something. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I got 12 of mini broccoli's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After damn.
Let's go explore sewers. Alright, let's go. Come on, let's go. Wait, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. You can take damage, it doesn't do anything to me.
Hi. I want to finish the whole series off next video. Toothless.
Huh?
Damn. I might Toothless next video. Do you know finish series off?
Yeah, sure.
But not in Roblox. Roblox? Damn, this is hard.
Come on, we got this.
Wait, how do we
Are you
get
ready?
there?
Come on. Oh!
How do we get
Careful
there?
with this.
Damn, so good.
Well, we came back together.
Yep. Flip, I still have it. So, this is the end of the video now. I hope you enjoyed the video. So, bye-bye.